Are you an employee who wants to earn beyond your salary? This video is for you.
When I started my career, umpisa pa lang may clarity na eh. Kasi unang-una sabi ko, Neil, it all anchors to a vision of the person, di ba? So for me, there are three kinds of vision. It all starts with letter S, kaya madaling tandaan, di ba? And I practiced this throughout the years and it helped me to have a sense of clarity. The first S is survival. That's the lousy S. Yun yung tatlong beses ka lang kumakain, you have your car, you have your house, you have your wife, you have your kids, diba? Happy ka na doon. Actually, 80% of the people out there is focused towards that. That's the lousest among all. The second S is what you call success. For example, I aspire to be a region head, I aspire to be a CEO. Wala namang masama doon. But I think the greatest among all is the last S, which is significance. Is adding value to the people around you, the organization you're in, the group that you're in, the community that you're in. Why? Kahit gaano kagaling tayong CEO, president, athlete, region head, scientist, doctor, if you anchor yourself in money, power, fame, influence, wala namang masama. Okay, but always remember, especially with us, we're more on the numbers game. You won't be the top of your game forever. Diba? If someone's going to beat you, wala namang record na hindi nabibit eh. Eventually, someone's going to beat you. Yeah. So when you're all beaten down, chances are if you're anchoring all of those things, people will forget you. But if you created a bridge to inspire people, okay, in other words, you given them a spark of hope, a sense of meaning and purpose in their life, and they realize that, diba, they themselves, diba, if they connect with the right people, you could do impossible things together. And when these people become successful, you'll be a part of their success and you will live forever. And it has always been the clear-cut direction for me. Kasi importante yung marami ano eh. And another siguro that will solidify it further, there was a survey conducted to those who have reached 90 years old. Alam mo naman, Neil, pag nasa 90 years old ka na, halik ka na sa lupa eh, di ba? Pero yung umabot na doon, di ba? Yung umabot na doon, they were asked a profound question. Sabi nun sa survey, if you're going to live your life all over again, what are the three things that you want to change? Diba? In no specific order, lahat sila, ito ang sagot nila resoundingly. I wish I was able to spend more time, okay, with my family, my loved ones. Second, I wish I was able to do more for others and for the community, diba? Or for my country. And third, I wish I was able to serve my God better. Among all of them, wala nagsabi na, sana may 2 billion ako sa bank account, may Ferrari ako, may beach house ako sa Hawaii. But of course, okay din kung meron, di ba? But all in all, di ba? Wala nagsabi ng mga ganung bagay because those things are meaningless already. Okay? So what I'm driving at is that what we do, yung career natin, our business, all of these things are geared up to address these three important things in life. Okay? So we should never lose sight of that. Pag may clarity ka dyan, the rest alam mo na eh, di ba? Well, siguro to support yung sinasabi mo rin is that what are the things that you need to do? Concentrated for you to be able to build a sound finances, of course, wealth creation. Siguro number one is that you have to master your strength. So you have to acknowledge kung saan ka rin mahina. And ako throughout the years, I never concentrated on my weaknesses. I concentrated through my strengths. Kasi yun yung talent na binigay sa atin ng Panginoon eh. Kung saan ako mahina, outsource. And that's the reason why I created, sabi ko nga, the way I build relationships, it's not transactional relationship. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Bawa Neil, nag-usap lang tayo, nag-contact ako ng ganito, nag-usap tayo. Yun na yun, after, hindi na tayo mag-uusap again. But I invest a lot on transformational relationship. What does it mean to say? Diba? I want to add value to you. So every person that I interact with. Because in that way, you create more bridges. And for me as a leader, that is vital. Our role as leaders is to lend, diba, our influence to others. you could not pass it on, you could not lend it if you weren't able to create it. So importante yon. So kailangan based on strength. Hindi yan naiba sa mga very successful in business. Alam naman natin si Steve Jobs, di ba? Steve Jobs, siya ang ano niya based on innovation, di ba? Doon siya magaling, doon siya nag-anchor. Hindi na naiba yan kay Bill Gates. Si Bill Gates more on of course software, di ba? Si Dell more on creating, di ba? A laptop or mga peripherals, kino-combine mo yan. Si Warren Buffett, he's really good in investments. Diba? So in other words, kailangan importante, alam natin kung saan tayo magaling, saan tayo gifted. And the good thing about it, with the technology that we have, the references that we have, madali natin malaman na ngayon. Kasi malaki pang impact niyan if you're working on your strength zone. 600% yung productivity level mo. Tapos yung engagement level mo, 300%. Even wala ka na sa office, nasa bahay ka, masaya ka pa rin. Di ba? Yan. Okay. And that's the only reason why people are disengaged sa workplace or sa business is because they're not using the strength and the giftings that God has given them. At the same time, di ba, kailangan well diverse and we have to be patient. Di ba? So positioning is also important. In terms of investment, nako, expert na expert yung kapatid mo dito, di ba? So dapat diverse tayo, different industry kung nag-i-invest tayo. One industry is down, the rest will be up. Kahit paano, di ba? Tapos, different classes of investments, di ba? Real, of course, from stocks, through bonds, through, of course, real estate, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, marami ngayon, Neil, na nilo-launch ng ano na hindi nami-miss out na marami. Kasi currently, mahal na talagang property ngayon. And I think in the coming days, di ba, nag-i-increase siya 10 to 15 years yung prices niya every year. Imagine mo, susunod yung normal professional natin cannot really afford to be able to buy a house or a condo now. So, ang ngayon, one of the strategies that I'm doing currently, marami ngayon mga magagandang property na babayaran mo lang yung down payment niya for the next 5 years. Okay? So, medyo maliit lang yon, hindi ganun kabigat kung kaya ng sweldo mo, di ba? Kaya ng ano mo, mag-invest ka doon sa mga bagay. Because why? A normal uptick mo dyan is around 40%, mag-up na yung property value mo. Okay? And now you have a choice. When the time comes na after 5 years, gusto mong benta, di benta mo. Kumita ka na, di ba? So, yung mga ganon, simple na things like that, di ba, will really help you a lot. Tapos, of course, a lot who are very rich also, not only sa bangko, what I've served with our client is that they concentrate in building a very strong relationship with the bank. In other words, OPM, leverage other people's money. Okay? So, ang ginagawa nila is that they try to establish good connection with the bank so that pwede silang bigyan ng loan or credit line. And some of them, yung credit line will be more on a clean line, di ba? So, wala kang collateral. Of course, some of them will start na may collateral as you build your credit. Of course, binibigay na nila ng wala ng collateral. But the beauty behind it, you have backup money. Okay? You have backup money. Because I always believe the rich or who are very successful, wala sa kanila sa economics ng good or bad economy. Everything's good. Okay? Why? Kung up yung market, they could expand their business. When the market is down, ang gagawin mo, you buy, you acquire business that are losing already, di ba? Mag-acquire ka, yung mga property na foreclose, di ba? Kaya importante din that you also leverage on the capability of the bank. Kasi the bank will also extend you a loan. Alam naman natin dalawang klaseng loan, good loan tsaka bad loan. Yung good loan, gagamitin mo yan para kumita ka lalo, di ba? Yung bad loan, talagang gastos lang talaga yan, okay? Yan. Tapos, I think the rest, like, for me, I really try to invest on passive income, di ba? Mga rentals, yung mga ganyan. So, importante rin yan, di ba? For ano. And another thing that is equally important for me, okay? There was a survey conducted to those who are very successful. Ang common denominator, they spend a minimum of 1 hour to 2 hours to network with people. Okay? And I really value that. So every person that I interact with, diba, I know there's a good story behind it. I try to learn, I try to expand my horizon further. Kasi sabi nga nila, there's wisdom in the counsel of many. Mas marami kang naririnig, marami nagtuturo sa'yo, mas lalo kang gumagaling, di ba? And I think another thing is that that really helped me is continuous learning, di ba? There's a difference between, kaya nga for me sa team namin, I don't wanna call them managers, I wanna call them leaders. Kasi managers, pag binigay mo yung task, di ba, gagawin lang niya status quo, you maintain it. But the leader is a catalyst, di ba? You try always to challenge the status quo and try to discover things to make it faster, to make it better. So importante yan, di ba? And I think kanina nga sinabi ko na focus on what really matters. And for me, yung three things na yun importante. To be able to serve God better, to spend time with my family, to be able to add significant value to the community. Okay? And of course, to live a simple life. Ano naman yan eh. Pag tinignan natin si Warren Buffett and the rest, di ba? Makikita natin, those who are extremely rich, you'll be surprised. Ako, I have clients namimili lang sa SM department store, di ba? Simpleng mga damit, di ba? In other words, it doesn't mean to say if you earn more, you have to be lavish in terms of your spending. Yeah. So those things, I think, really helped me a lot mold a clear-cut direction in terms of accumulating wealth, not only in terms of finances, but I think more than making a difference also where I am today. Okay.
Well said, well said. I mean, dami kong natatype nun na nababasa natin sa screen. You've mentioned about passive investments. You mentioned not just building to earn, but also making a difference.